Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where I'm back with another interesting website now. I'm going to show you how you can generate the very cool infographic images, SVGs using AI that you can use on your projects for free. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for visivig.com. Sorry if I pronounce it wrong. You can see the right spelling over there. It is visivig.com. Just simply write in and hit enter and wait the website to respond. Once the website gets load, you can see the various options available for you. Just simply select any of the template you want. For example, if I select patterns, and if I hit that, you can see various patterns are available for me, and that all are AI generated, and they all are free to use. You don't even need to pay anything. So in order to do it, just simply select any of the tool you want, and start styling, and save it and use it on your projects. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.